assign blame, as this is now irrelevant. The blame game does not offer relief, nor does it lend to solving the problems we are faced with.
Good evening, Bahamas. I'm Altafiz Munnings. Welcome to the Bahamas Tonight, the weekend edition. Thanks so much for making us a part of your Sunday. Topping the news tonight, we begin with consumer news that many of you want to hear. Executives of Bahamas Power and Light Company shedding some light on the generation issues they've been facing here in New Providence. Residents here have experienced continuous load shedding exercises for several hours over the past few days, leaving many frustrated with those blackouts. Well, B.P.L officials held a press conference at their Clifton Pier power station earlier this afternoon, and that's where B.P.L CEO Whitney Hasty talked about why load shedding has been so frequent over the past several days.
That with the additional generation rental units from McGraco, we would be in a better position to prevent load shedding for the summer. While we were certainly cognizant of the tightrope we were walking, due to the pressure being placed on the remaining plant, we did not anticipate this level of system failure, and if we did, we would not have had the resources to mitigate the situation, as this level of accelerated decay could not have been anticipated. Our peak demand is 250 megawatts. We have a total of 210 megawatts available today. That 210 megawatts is made up of 105 megawatts of rental units from McGraco.
Hasty further explained that they're trying to work on the issue of failed units to restore the power, while Wartsila's business development manager Edmund Phillips addressed the timeline in which the plan for the Clifton project will be completed.
This 210 megawatts, or 40 megawatt shortfall of what is required, is what has led to the load shedding that we are currently experiencing. We are working feverishly on returning 2 generators at our Blue Hill power station that will make up this shortfall. However, we cannot guarantee that other units will not fail and return us to load shedding, as we have no excess capacity.
When we first looked at the site, we gave some estimates to B.P.L. Wartsila gave estimates to B.P.L. where we were saying early fall. Now that we are in it, we've already started the project. We are well on our way with the project. The estimate now to complete this plan is December 15th, 2019.